How to make video in DAZZ Cam. So here's DAZZ Cam app. This is the original app from DAZZ PT Ltd. And then here, so I only have photos. So I can change cameras. And some of these require Pro. So that's Pro. And then seems it's not possible to basically, to use it as a video thingy. So you need to basically, just only use it as a camera for some reason and only for photos. Or maybe you can just see that you need to, select these cameras, which are your favorite ones, and then so here you see the list. So for example, original, GDR, and then this is the cameras you have. Then you have all of this. I don't know, it's a bit, the menu is it's a bit not clear for me. So here, for example, I want to use that. It requires subscription. Classic, and then it only, it only makes a photo. I can zoom in, okay, so that's finally how you can do it. So you need, as you can see, now it's recording. Now it's recording video. All right. So the trick is that you need to select a specific camera in here. So you tap on the menu to see all the items, and then you see like video section. So these are only cameras which support video. You can use it with V Classic. And then, so V Classic. So yeah, it's, the UI is a bit not intuitive for me, just to be honest. I'm a bit lost in here. There are so many cameras. So basically the idea, you need to select V Classic here or original, like, so here you select either. So for example, I have it like that. And then I can just, on here, I can only make photos. But then in the top, you select, and then you can make videos. So yeah. So the trick is, again, you see two rows. In the top row, there is a video row. At the bottom, there is a photo row. And then you need to enable these cameras from here. So to enable video, you need to select at least one camera from the video. So that's what it is. If you do not select any video, you can't make a video in here. Or you need to pay. So that's kind of what it is. Finally figure it out. Hope it is helpful.